Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Marina binti Muhammad Saleh from Group 9. We'll be presenting about three of the classification of Gymnosperm. That is Cycadophyta, Ginkgophya, and Gnetophyta.
Gymnosperms. Gymnos means naked, while sperms, which is sperma, means seed. The first gymnosperm is Cycadophyta. Cycadophyta is tropical and subtropical plants with stout, trunk-like stems and compound leaves that resemble palms or ferns. Most species of Cycadophyta are now extinct. Many are endangered because it is popular as ornamental plants. Cycadophyta are dioecious. The seed cones are on the female plants and the pollen cones are on the male plants. It also have motile sperm cells, which has many hair-like flagella. Pollen grains are carried by air or insects to the seed cones on the female plants. During pollination, pollen grains develop pollen tubes and release flagellated sperms, which then swim to the egg. The next classification of gymnosperm is Ginkgophya. Ginkgophya represented by a single species that is Ginkgo biloba, that is also known as the maiden hair tree. Ginkgo commonly planted in parks and along city streets because it is resistant to air pollution. Ginkgophya has flagellated sperm cells, an evolutionary vestige that is not required because ginkgo produce a bound pollen grain. The last classification of gymnosperm is Gnetophyta. Gnetophyta has three genera, which is Gnetum, Ephedra, and Welwitschia. Each genera has a distinctive morphology and architecture of the sporophyte. Gnetophyta share numerous characters with angiosperms. For example, the leaves have reticulate venation that resembles leaves of dicot angiosperms. The other example is Gnetophyta undergo a form of double fertilization. Two egg cells produced are fertilized, but one is fertilized to become the embryo, but the other one does not complete the development into an embryo and does not provide any nutrition to the developing embryo. I would like to share with you some key points on gymnosperm. Gymnosperm are non-flowering plants belonging to the subkingdom Ambophyta. The seeds are not enclosed in an ovary or fruit. They are exposed on the surface of the leaf-like structures of the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm are found in boreal and temperate forests. In conclusion, there are four classifications of gymnosperms, which is Coniferophyta, Cycadophyta, Ginkgophya, and Gnetophyta. Each classification have their own unique characteristics. These plants have important roles in our life. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to Associate Professor Dr. Marina binti Muhammad Top Elias Muhammad Tah for the guidance on this presentation. Secondly, I would like to thank my parents and friends who helped me a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame.
That's all from me, Nuraini binti Muhammad Saleh. Thank you.